Understanding the phrase, active site, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of language with a focus on a specific phrase, active site. This phrase is not just a combination of two simple words. It holds a specific meaning in various contexts, particularly in biology and chemistry. Let's unravel the layers of its meaning together. Firstly, let's break down the phrase, active site. The word, active, suggests something that is dynamic, functioning, or in action. On the other hand, site refers to a location or a specific place. When combined, these words typically describe a place where action or activity is concentrated. In the realms of biology and chemistry, an active site has a very specific meaning. It refers to the part of an enzyme where the chemical reaction takes place. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions in the body, and the active site is the key area where these reactions are catalyzed. This concept is crucial in understanding how biological processes work at a molecular level. Beyond scientific contexts, active site can be used metaphorically. For example, in a discussion about a business project, one might refer to the active site of the project as the area where the most crucial activities are happening. This metaphorical use takes the literal meaning and applies it to a different context to emphasize the importance or activity of a particular area or aspect. In everyday English, you might not encounter active site very often unless you're in a scientific or technical field. However, understanding its meaning can help you comprehend more specialized texts or discussions. It's a great example of how English words can be combined to create specific meanings in different contexts. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, active site. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and its various uses. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your English comprehension and makes you more proficient in the language. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.